Good evening. My name is Chantel Hall. I'm currently an employee at East Alabama Health working at Primary Medicine Associates in Marbury. I have been with this company for 5 years, while recently transferring to primary medicine in early February. I grew up in a small town called Lochapoka, where we're mostly known for our service stopping, or as they call it now, Pioneer Day. I moved to Auburn in 2020 with my fiance Brandon and our 2 lovely boys, Carter and Demetrius. I graduated from Lochapoka High School in 2010, and growing up, I always saw basketball in my future. I always saw myself finishing college and being drafted in the WNBA. After 2013, when I had my first son, those plans soon changed, and I had to put basketball on the back burner. I began to question myself, what exactly did I want to do besides play basketball, and how I wanted to be a better provider for my family. I applied for the hospital in 2017, where I began staff and registry. I was hired as a full-time employee by 2018, working at the pre-surgery clinic, working in the registration department. I was introduced to SAW by Ms. Lisa, and I thank her for this opportunity because I met some amazing women and learned some very valuable information to help refresh my brain for college. After SAW, my plans are to enroll in Columbus Tech, where I will pursue my certification in becoming a respiratory therapist. In SAW, I have learned very valuable information, all while regaining my focus and refreshing my brain on college level. I would like to thank my classmates, because without you guys, I don't know how I could have done it. I would like to thank Ms. Lisa for always making sure we scored nothing below a 90 on all of our modules. To my manager, Beth Henderson, thank you for working around my schedule and allowing me to attend class. To my support system, thank you, my mom especially, for always being in my corner. To my class, it was amazing meeting each of you, and I am so glad I got to go on this journey with you. We did it.